Hello guys, so I just made my last vlog live. So this is for vlog number 120. My breakout is still with me. Like everything else is clearing up. Like I've had little breakouts, but that mother. So I'm gonna put something on it that I don't use a lot because usually I can just use my Hey Bud mask or my Super Mud or something and it clears it up. But I'm gonna use this Murad Spot Relief. This breakout is stubborn, but this is really good, especially when they're like these and like under the skin and inflamed and red, like that kind of stuff. This works wonders. I also just like to put this over my pores on my nose if my pores are clogged. All right, so I decided to do like a little hair mask concoction because I'm about to go into my beauty room and declutter and organize and clean. So literally I'm gonna be doing that for hours. So what I wanted to do was just put my hair up with like some good products in it. Now, I already put my caviar in, and I got it really messy. Look at that. How gross. But this is the Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair. It's an overnight serum, but I have a little bit of an issue using it overnight because the smell is really fragrant. I can deal with it, but I'd rather not smell that as I'm going to sleep because I usually smell like my pillow spray and all that. And even when I put it up, like it's kind of strong, but if I'm moving around, I won't be thinking about it and it's not a big deal. It doesn't smell bad, but I put that in the ends of my hair and through the links of my hair as well. I'm also gonna add a little bit of the Olaplex bonding oil for super added hydration, and this is also really great for split ends, breakage, and restructuring the hair. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that. Really working in the ends because I'm like well overdue for a big haircut. I've only had like little tiny trims and I need a big haircut. You can tell like my hair is long, but it's not growing the way that it should because I've neglected, you know, regular haircuts. It's been a long time. So my hair is probably not growing nearly as fast as it should be. And then something new that I just got, Grande Hair Rejuvenation Serum. Now this one I usually would put in after I wash on clean dry hair, but because I'm gonna leave my hair up for so many hours, I figure it wouldn't hurt to put it on the scalp. I'm just gonna use a little bit, and my hair is so fine so you can kind of see through in this area. This is kind of where I want to focus on seeing if I can see some results. And it says 3 to 4 drops directly to the scalp on clean hair. Position the dropper at the root and scalp, moving front to back over the areas you're looking to improve. Okay, so I don't need a lot because I'm not focusing on a big area. I'm looking in the mirror over here. So I put a couple drops and I'm just gonna massage it in. This is a very, very thin serum and my hair at the root is pretty much dry. I took a bath last night and just let my hair air dry, so it might be slightly damp in like the middle of my hair, but it's pretty much dry. But that's interesting on clean, dry hair. It doesn't feel oily or anything, so I wouldn't be afraid of that. Now I've been using the Grande shampoo and conditioner for a while and I love, love, love those. So I just thought I would try it. So with all those products in my hair, I'm just gonna whip my hair up in a bun and we're gonna leave it like that. And this shit will be in my hair for hours. So that's the plan. Stay hydrated. And yeah, I'm just cleaning, more cleaning. If my beauty room isn't spotless by the time I go back to work, then I've really screwed up my time. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, I pressed record before I realized my battery's about to die, but that will keep it short. I have on a Truly mask. It's the brightening resurfacing CBD mask. So I'm trying that out. I'm really excited because they have such cute things, and I am going to put some of these patches on too because I have so many breakouts right now. Any of you guys dealing with the same? Like I feel like the stress, change in diet, poor habits around the house, not sleeping well. I don't know, my skin is freaking out and it's not that time of the month or anything. So I know that stress is playing a big part in it. I'm trying not to touch my face. So I don't know what's going on, but I've got like here. They're everywhere. So I'm gonna try some of these patches out. They look really cool and I can't wait to try that unicorn whipped body butter. Let me show you guys. This is the container. It is so pretty. Look at that. Doesn't that look dreamy? And it smells like kind of fragrant, but also a little sweet. It's so nice. So I can't wait to try that out. I'll definitely have to take a bath or something and use some of that. But I'm going to do some skincare, like decluttering. I feel like a whole video on that. I don't know about doing that. So I'm just going to include it in this vlog and hopefully get this up for you tonight. My closet declutter, the footage is so long, like so much to edit. So I'm just praying that I can actually edit my vlog on my computer because there's literally so much there. But I'm rambling again. So in a minute, I'm going to start some skincare declutter with you. This is a mess. There's so much here and here. Okay, so here's my plan. Now, first of all, I know how excessive this is, and I am on a skincare no-buy. Like, honestly, permanently. Like, what's the point? But I have these bins over here as my newest things, or maybe I have a duplicate and this is the, you know, newer of the duplicate, or things that I'm just not ready to get. From time to time, I will peek in here and say, okay, like I need to try this now. I do have, I think that's cleansers. I do have one here. This is body products and hair products. So those are 2 body products. These are all skincare by category, but I think they've gotten a little bit messy. And then these pink ones right here are like the brand newest stuff that I've gotten, but I want these to be for like new makeup instead so that I can differentiate which is which very easily. And yeah, so I've got a lot to get through. This is like utterly insane right now. I'm going to start doing my skincare 4 times a day. I did go ahead and fill the bottom 2 drawers with hair care. This is my older stuff that I need to go ahead and, you know, begin to try. Some of which, like, I just don't use hair products that much. I'm going to start filling the next one up with some body stuff. I don't know if I'll need both sides or not. Sometimes I grab a product out of here and decide that I don't like it and then see if somebody else would like it, you know? But there's a lot going on, and I do want to have a few drawers for masks, so that may be something that I put on the bottom as well, or, you know, next to my body products, because I have a whole box in my closet, which I may pull out, that is nothing but sheet masks. I've pretty much said I'm not buying any sheet masks. Like, I literally just give them away out of here. I have so many. And then I got some random stuff, some perfumes, facial cottons. These are refills for my Dermaflash, wipes, and the like. So there's just a lot. There's a lot. Okay, let's get to filling these drawers up. Hey guys, so I'm patching it up here. I've got eye patches on, but I've also got these, the Truly CBD acne patches. Yeah, I have really bad breakouts right now. But anyway, I did get this pretty much organized. Woo! Wow, I was having like a brain malfunction. So I thought I would show you guys what I have here. So I did makeup removers, cleansers, toners, essence. In this one I have exfoliators. Masks are here. This one wound up being serums and then a couple masks that didn't fit in the first drawer. Oils and eye creams, also this mattifying thing. And I think I probably need to get rid of this Josie Maran one. Tell me what I was thinking when I did that. The heck? It's like shrunken away from the jar. So I don't know, that looks bad to me. I don't trust it. Oils, a mattifying thing, and some eye creams. These are gel lightweight moisturizers. Things I'm not going to reach for as often because I am more dry. Regular moisturizers, some more hydrating options. Honestly, this is crazy, but I have here sheet masks. This one above, I have a few sheet masks in here, but mostly it's like eye, lip, spot patch masks, and then like some interesting ones like the Dr. Jart point mask. So some different type of masks in here, and then a few sheet masks on top that I'll probably grab first. But I've got sheet masks, sheet masks, sheet masks, 3 drawers of sheet masks. I have too many. Honestly, I need to have a freaking yard sale. 2 for $1. What the hell? I've got way too many. I don't know what I think all the time. I've got perfume. This is Overflow Hair because literally, like I showed you guys, hair. I found some more products which I could put in my bins, but I'm like, I'm good right now. I'll just put them in here. Some perfumes and then Dermaflash refills like I had. So yeah, all this is like priority to use faster. It is cleaner now. I don't know what happens in my room that like powder just sticks to all the plastic. So they all had a film on them, so I just wanted to clean it up some more so I could put everything in there clean, not dirty. So these I'm still going to do, but I don't think I'm going to film it because honestly, I need to take things out of the bins, clean the bins, and then put everything back. So I think I'm going to do this a little bit later because right now I want to import footage and edit this vlog for you guys. I also have some newer things that need to be sorted into the bins. Just things that I'm not ready to fully use yet, which I've already used the Sand and Sky body scrub. It's so good, but I want to use up some of the other ones that I have open already. I've got some backups of my Benefit, my Stands Out Beauty Sponge, a brand new primer that's my newest, and I have a lot of like unused primers, a couple lashes, a backup of Trinket because I love that one. I've got some random stuff that still needs to be put away in this little section, and then everything else is just going to be getting organized. I feel like I'm doing better. I am trying to also pull out things if I feel like I'm not as excited about it, or it's not for my skin type or hair type or whatever. I may pull it out and give it to someone because honestly this is too much. If you're like me at all and you have too much, like I have a tendency to want to shop and get new things, but this way I'm kind of just shopping my stash, and honestly that's what I'm doing right now. Like there is no need for me to buy anything, so this is what I'm doing instead. We're just going to enjoy what we have, organize what we have, but I do want to take a break from this right now, and I'm going to come back to this later on tonight, probably with a glass of wine, with some music or an audiobook, and it's going to be very relaxing for me. But I did want to show you guys my progress. I feel like that's a lot better. I know it doesn't look a lot better because nothing's really changed on the outside, but the organization and cleanliness of that is much better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I appreciate you watching, and I will see you in my next video, probably tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.